everyone from the Tabernacle of David Prophetic Dance Center in Jerusalem. Well, we have so many things in our heart, don't we, that we want to bring forth for our King and our God, who we love so much. What can we give God but all of our worship? He's done it all. And so we can get overwhelmed because we don't know what to do first. And I remember some years ago, I have all these things I want to bring forth, but I don't know what to do first. I wasn't getting anything done. So I want to say to you, it truly is one step at a time. We must only one step at a time. And since I've been in my dance center almost 3 years, I've had lots of opportunity to make some very difficult decisions. And it's not like one felt good and the other didn't. It's the right decision felt awful. Neither decision, either way, felt great, but I had to make some really painstaking decisions. But every time, and it is decision by decision, that I made the healthy choice, I got healthier. In the same way, with the things that we want to bring forth, the visions we have in our heart, we need to take it one step at a time. Sometimes people ask me, how you doing? What's going on in your life there in Jerusalem? And it's like, well, I'm trying to prioritize priorities. So I take the very next thing that's in front of my nose that I have to address. But please try to calm yourself down and say it's one step at a time. And as far as making decisions for our lives, for our emotional health, it's one healthy decision at a time, step by step. God bless you from the city of the great King, Yerushalayim.